Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're having issues with the liftgate struts. So let's see if it's gonna do it again. I'm gonna try to open it remotely. Alright, as you can hear, this is coming from the struts. I think this is worn. The noise is definitely coming from this one, but I think they sell them in pairs. Usually people will just replace these, both of them. And as you can see, there is a play. This is not normal, and this one doesn't have any play. So this is a faulty strut. Alright, so to remove this, I'm gonna have to remove this panel right here. There are screws to remove. There are one here, 2, 3, and there are also clips. There are also clips to remove. There is one here. There is another one further down here. More screws, another clip right here. So we have access to the bolts. So I don't have the adequate tools for this, so I'm gonna just use a screwdriver to pop the clips out. Alright, so my apologies, I'm kind of doing this off camera because I can't record with one hand, but I had to remove the bottom panel. As you can see here, this is basically by pulling it from the sides. As you can see, there are a bunch of clips holding it in on the sides, so you just have to pull on it carefully and they will just come out. This is going to reveal the bottom, as you can see. And while removing this side panel right here, I found a wire. I think this is for the sensor, and I was wondering where it was going because it tends to just end up on the side right here. I think this is just a sensor to communicate with another sensor right here. Alright, so after removing the panel, we have two connectors, one for the sensor and one for the struts. As you can see, this is going right here into the struts. So we're gonna disconnect this. This is still supporting the gate. You want to make sure you have some support on the gate before you remove it, just in case the this one isn't strong enough to hold the whole weight. So you want to be careful with that. So I'm just gonna do this. So I just pushed it up and this came off. Now I have some clearance to remove the bolts on the side. Alright, so that's out. You just press on this side and it's gonna just pop off. And here it is. So I'm gonna see what's wrong with this real quick and see if it's worth it to try repairing it. Here is the strut, but upon inspection I can see that this is a permanent attachment. As you can see, they put notches along the sides to seal it permanently, and I don't think this is worth attempting to repair at all. As you can see, I think water ended up getting into this and rusting the motor system. As you can see, I also found a YouTube creator called Struts. I will leave a link to his video in the description so you can check it out if you want to attempt this repair. I will not be attempting this repair because it's just like it just seems like a waste of time in my case. As you can see, it's a slightly different strut, and I already attempted to hit the sides and try to push it down. So instead I decided to just order a brand new set, as you can see here. Alright, these are nicely packaged, as you can see. Alright, our brand new strut. Let's compare it with the old one. As you can see, this is compatible. So here are the 2 hinges. As you can see, these are snap to fit. They just go right in here with an inserted clip. As you can see. So the other one is basically going to be the same. Alright, so as you can see, these are our brand new set of struts. So it's better not to install these clips yet. You're going to install these onto the car first, and then you can install the strut on it. That's the easiest way to approach this. So let's get started. Sometimes the rainwater can get into it. It gets rusted and then it starts grinding and it fails. Now I'm gonna remove the second strut. So you're also gonna get something ready to hold the gate because it's gonna fall down when there is no support. Alright, so this is holding. So out with the old struts. Now we want to go ahead and install the brand new struts. But we're going to install these first, not onto the struts, but directly onto the gate. This one is labeled R for right, other one is L for left. Clean the area. I'm just going to go right here. And again, the label with the arrow pointing up. Same thing here. I'm gonna clean it. So I always tighten it all the way in by hand, just to avoid cross threading. It's a real pain if you were to cross thread it. Alright, now we can go all the way. right, that's good. Check your struts if they came with this part right here. That's only used to guide the wire through. So if your new struts came with it, you're gonna go ahead and remove this one and get rid of it. Otherwise, you can just reuse this. And if you look closely, you will see a small clip, a retainer clip inside the hole, and that's meant to snap and grab onto the hook. So you just push it and that's it. Alright guys, it's really handy to have a second person to hold the gate up. It's really heavy. Alright, so from here just put the screws back, the push pins, and that's it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. Same here. Alright, so sorry about the bad audio here, but I had to voice over it. So basically, after you install the brand new struts, you're gonna avoid pressing the button. You're just gonna manually pull the gate down and close it all the way, just like this, slowly. You're gonna make sure it's closed all the way, and after you manually close it, now you can press the button to turn it on automatically, as you can see. And now the gate is fully calibrated, ready to go. And just like this, you have successfully replaced the struts on this car. Alright, so the bottom panel is back on. Now I'm gonna put the covers on. Alright, now we are good. Brand new struts, ready to go. As you can see. Alright, so this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.